guys, I'm just inside my house. Now you see here, have you watched the last video that had to do, one of the last videos that had to do with Lego, where I accidentally called some random kid that sounded like Kyle from a TV show, Kyle from West Park, I think it's called. I don't know. I think it's that show. It's called West Park. I think I accidentally called him, but I forgot my grandma's number, and I keep guessing other people's numbers. I'm gonna guess another number and see if I get grandma's number right. Okay, beep 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 beep. All right, let's try this number. I tried 1111112. Hello? Who is it? I don't believe I know you. Oops, I dropped my phone. Let's try someone else, shall we? Beep 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 beep. All right, let's try this one.
Put me through to the Pentagon.
What about a pentagon now?
You are a hippie.
I'm sorry, what? Okay, I'm sorry I wasted your time. Weirdo. I guess I have to keep thinking of other random numbers. Thanks for watching. Me mess up again.